welcome to Emilac Maths class. Now in today's class, we'll be looking how to solve for x in this exponential equation. And here we have 1 all over x all equals to 4 raised to the power of x. So how do you go about this? Now here we have a fraction and here we have an exponent. So 1 all over x equals 4 raised to the power of what? X. Now, first of all, let us take away this exponent. And how do we do that? Now, we'll raise both sides to the power of 1 all over x. Alright? So here we have 1 all over x, all raised to the power of 1 all over x equals 4 raised to the power of x, all raised to the power of what? 1 all over what? X. And we know that according to the law of indices, that a raised to the power of m all raised to the power of n will give us what? A raised to the power of what? N, in which the exponent, they tends to multiply. Now multiplying these two together, which means x times 1 all over x will give us x all over x, which will give us what? 1. So at the left hand side we have 1 over x all raised to the power of 1 over x, and at the right hand side we are left with what? 4. However, you can see from the left hand side that both the base and exponent are the same. Is there a way we can make 4 have an exponent? Okay, so we can just clean this, because we know 4 is 2 raised to the power of what? 2. Alright, you can see we now have a resemblance of the same structure, both the left hand side and the right hand side. So at this point we can just equate. So you can say 1 over x equals what? 2. So at this point, what do? Let's just cross multiply. By cross multiplying, our x come over here, while our 2 comes here. So we end up having 1 over 2 equals what? X. Alright, and this is the solution to the question. Let us see if it is true. So here you have 1 over 2, then equals 4 raised to the power of 1 over what? 2. By this we know this is what? 2, because this tells you any base raised to the power half implies that this is the square root of that base. So since we have here we are having the reciprocal of half. The reciprocal of half seems to be a big grammar. This implies 1 over what? X. Sorry, 1 over what? 2, which implies 1 divided by 1 over what? 2, which can also be written as 1 times what? 2 over 1, giving us what? 2. So the whole of this will give us what? 2, and this, which happens to be the square root of 2, will also give us what? 2. So half is the solution to the question. Alright, if you love what I've just done, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.